Thursday, April 28th. Going to try something a little different here. I just entered long here on the 6E based upon this giant leg down in volume exhaustion. So I'm trying to get one brick up here. It's been moving pretty slow, so that's the plan here. There's no real signal. Okay, here's where I entered that trade and I was stopped out. So a lesson to you, don't be making up signals. Here's a trade in gold, shorting this thing at 27.5 lump trade. Basically what this is a pullback entry off of this falling EMA. So we had a one brick target and we were filled up 50. It was that trade. There are two bricks here to be had on that. Okay, comes a gold setup here. Got this thing set to trigger right after this. If this bar goes down, this would be a hidden divergence. Ideally, I'd like this thing to close up here and make a perfect double top, but this is close enough. So down 10 ticks from that would be, if this bar is going to close red, it would close red right here. If it goes up to 32.5, I'll move this one up to 31.5. Okay, so we're filled on this, and we're looking for 2 ticks, or 2 bricks. No volume exhaustion on here. Other than that, it had a pretty nice form. So if this thing closes against us here, if it closes green, then it's just made a higher low, and that's a buy signal. Okay, just got our target. Very good. Another gold trade setting up here, extended divergence. These things are exactly at the tops of one another. The MACD is a little lower. There's no real volume exhaustion here. Just some pretty strong, this is the volume exhaustion bar, but it's way back here. Some strong volume up, but I'm just going to go for one brick. Okay, filled on that gold trade right here. It's 6 o'clock, the market just opened, so that's probably not a good sign, but we got a really nice big volume push down at the top, so we're looking for just one bar here, one brick. Thinking about targets here, we got this big leg. It might be more realistic for this thing to go back down into here, but right now, just because of this strong uptrend, and we're new to this shit, we'll just try to get one brick out of this. Okay, just got our target on that thing. Took a while, but up 5 bricks, 5 ticks. Got a long set up here in the 6E for a basic divergence. Decent form. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, we're filled here on the 6E. Just trying to get 5 ticks out of it. So pretty decent formation here, a little flattening out. We got some real nice uptrend. We do have, well, we're looking for green or red exhaustion. So we got one exhaust bar there, we got one exhaust bar there. Move my stop up here. We're only trying to get 4. So let's at least get break even plus 1. So we got our 5 ticks. Just got filled here in oil. It's being awful whippy here. Gosh almighty. We're going to get stopped out of this one. Yeah, shoot. This was an extended divergence. The form was good, but this thing just smashed down here. Here on the 4 better Renko, it wasn't a clean signal because this was higher than that, so maybe that's got something to do with it. Here's a pretty nice trade I watched happen, but this is a turn signal in the 6E. You can see this thing, indicators were just kind of stall right here, but getting in on this thing, rapid price moving up here, and then dropping, so that looked pretty nice.